So lately I've been trying to learn how to spray paint. That's me. Last year I was only painting in VR. Since then I've built my own canvas out of 3 pieces of MDF that I've been using to spray murals on. And today we're going to start the 3rd mural, which is going to have a winter theme. So I just need to paint over it and I can get started. Long sleeves are on. It's getting a bit cold now. I'm running out of the purple, so for the outlines I've got a couple of blues, so I'll just use a couple of them. A bit chunky that. Could do with a skinnier line. I'm just starting out this mural using all the leftover paints while I'm waiting for a paint delivery. Yeah, I haven't got a lot of purple, so I'm just gonna have to make do for now. Oh, that's purple gone. Stick with the blue, I guess. It's come together, but very roughly. And on that note, I think I'm gonna leave it. So this is day 2. I made sure to order some more purple. I don't want to run out of time, so right, let's get on with it. Now I've got a bunch of purple. I'm just going over all the line work and just roughing out the whole composition. If you couldn't tell already, the design is based on my Beetle Guy character. I'm using this sticker design as my reference, but then just adding in the winter theme with a hint of Christmas. So I've probably left it a bit late in the day to start painting. Because it's winter, it just gets dark earlier. I just haven't had as much time as I would have done earlier in the year. I'm just going to have to pack up and come back tomorrow. It's a bit dark now and can't really paint. Can't really see anything. I don't think the camera's picked up anything. I'll come back for day 3. It's cold. It's early. I've got an extra layer on. 3 layers today. Yeah, I've kind of changed my mind on what I want to do. Last time I was painting, I think I was rushing it a little bit too much. I think I've just overcomplicated it. So I'm going to try and fix it everywhere that I did yellow. I'm going to do blue again. So I need to undo what I did yesterday and paint all of the yellow back to blue. It just looks so much better. If it was digital, I'd just press undo, but it's not. See what I can do with this stencil cap. Or this stencil cap, I'm just going to try out. Try and get a skinnier line. It's got a little aperture in it. So you attach it to the top, like that. It can only go out of this little stencil, so I wonder if I can get some skinnier lines with it. Like this. It's working, but it's just chucking paint. See that? It's got absolute coat in it. I'm not sure that's what I'm supposed to do. It's doing its job. It's just messy as hell. Back to removing all the yellow from the background. I'm just starting out with a blue circle shape. So I'm kind of thinking how to change this on the fly, and I'm just adding in some crystals either side. So I'm just thinking of adding a few crystally bits just to frame the whole piece, just around the bottom and the sides. I've just got a few little doodles that I'll use. It's like these guys here. There's a couple here. I'm going to put a few more down here. So I just kind of thought it might be more of a winter, almost like ice, like a crystallised, rather than going full Christmas. It might be better doing a winter piece instead. So I'm going back to using the stencil cap just for these skinny lines on the crystals. And then adding in some yellow highlights just to give it that shiny crystal feel. And then just a few little light shines just coming off the crystals just to finish it off. And yeah, and that's it. That's my last mural of the year. It's finally done. So thanks again for watching, and I'll leave you with the final shots.
Received 12/50/6/20 6th November. To listen to your message again, press 1.